Good day, my wonderful friend. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Yo, my friend at New York, big up yourself. My friend at Barbados, big up yourself. You know me I talk. Long time in a year from you. Yo, every massive, every crew, Jamaica, Guyana, gonna big up on yourself. Now, today me gonna talk about Kwame George. Kwame was killed a couple days ago by a couple guys. Now, I'd have to explain the dynamics because Kwame made a couple different wrong moves. Not that the moves he made were outly wronged, but he should have thought about his safety, given that he has to navigate a fractured, fragmented, stagnant gang environment. The question is who killed him. But before we go there, I just want to talk about, like I said earlier, the dynamics. Now, Kwame has been robbed many times, has been extorted many times, has been through a lot of things right here on the boulevard in the Castries Basin. He was able to establish a shop where he stole different things. As a matter of fact, after this man died, they looted his shop. Let me show you guys something. This is Kwame shop. And listen, they went in, people in the community, and even police officers, and took out everything out of the man's shop. Now, them ransacked the place and took everything but the bathroom sink, which you guys saw the bathroom sink in this video. Now, Intel is letting me know the reason why this happened is because Kwame is not from St. Lucia. Sad statement, but it is the sad reality. If you're not from there, you are at a, how can I put it? If you're not from there and you get into some bad things and things like this happen to you, you know, just know when you're dead or gone in prison, all of your things are going to ransack and tea. And really a sad notion. Me know who killed Kwame, and me say me go tell you now. But before me do that, I think Kwame should have taken his safety a little bit more serious because remember, he's linking with Scarecrow and Teletubby. They link with Banan amongst other people. Kwame would be identified as the Seven. Now he's linking with Monster Gang and Slum Gang, which they in turn link with the Sevens via lean back, via cut butt, whatnot, you understand, via Scarecrow, you understand. So I think setting up route on the boulevard in a 6th territory, you understand, is a big no. And if you know the art of war, you would never do something like that. To really live in that area and think that you weren't going to be singled out for certain things when certain kind of war jump off. Which, like I said, Kwame been robbed. Only thing they haven't done him is rape him. But he did get the one, them kill him, them rob him, them thief him. You understand? And now, them kill him. This is what everybody been waiting for. I'm gonna explain in detail as much as I can what happened to Kwame. Now, Kwame was talking to two guys, Chester and Berry. Now, Chester used to work for Kwame, and he's one of Kwame's most trusted friend. He knows where Kwame have everything. You know what I'm saying? So Kwame was speaking to those two guys. Russian came from the back between Ideal Bakery and the supermarket. So while Kwame was distracted, Russian walk up, like myself, from behind between the bakery and the supermarket. Then them two guys walk off and wait right around the corner there. So Russian shot Kwame, then them two guys come around and enter Kwame house and rob him and take everything. But there was also another person there, a guy by the name of Kilting. And Kilting came to get some juice or something from Kwame. Now Kilting was there by fluke or coincidence, and he ended up getting shot. He ran the other way. So Kilting run through Black Molly, ended up on his block, and his block is where Lean Back and Cutbutt was raised, and that's a 7 block. So Kilting, he knows who got rid of my youth Kwame. Now there's two things. It's either Kilting tell the police what happened, or him tell the 7 gang what happened to continue the war. It's that simple. Now I'm speaking to the police and the government, and I'm also speaking to Mr. Pierre, the Prime Minister. What I would like you to do is to address the hole that's behind the supermarket and behind the bakery, because for a long time the man them have been using that place as a robbery spot, which them used to rob the supermarket. So Mr. Pierre, I know this is your constituency, and you know the people them around there. You should have been blocked that hole long time ago. Mr. Verngard, you need to block that hole. I wanna need to go down in that community and do a curfew. That's what I need to do. Listen, more coming, and me I tell you one thing. Keep to this channel if you don't want to hear the latest going on down there in St. Lucia. Here what? My name is Countryman.